Request everyone to stand straight in attention for a 1 minute silence to honor our soldiers of the Kargil War. Let's pay tribute to our brave soldiers and see their preparations and struggle through this short video. Now I would like to invite Director Ma'am and Principal Ma'am to share their words of wisdom.
Today, it's 26 July 1999 was the Kargil Diwas, right? And it takes a lot of pride to know that we won that war, and only because of our soldiers' courage and determination. So a big round of applause to the soldiers of our country. And believe me, there is no honor than this honor what these soldiers have done for our country. Every individual, every child, every person who belongs to India should have an honor and pride to serve the country. Whether you are in uniform or whether you are in any capacity doing any work. Serve your country, have your responsibility in place, and make your family, your school, your loved ones proud. And there is no other honor than that, and that is the true learning, and that is what we are here for, all about of learning of life. So thank you so much, children. This was a really heartfelt assembly, and all of you performed very well. And keep up the spirit of courage always alive. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Let us conclude our assembly by shouting the slogans that shook the mountains of the Kargil with full energy. Repeat after me. Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Kargil ke Shaheed! Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Principal Ma'am to give the achievements to the students.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I would like to request our Honorable Director, Ms. Avnash Ma'am, our Principal, Vice Principal, and enrichment head to please come over the stage to give away the prizes to the students. Kubar Mehrab of 6th A, who bagged a gold medal at the Decathlon Zirakpur tournament held at Youngsters Basketball Academy. He also bagged 2 bronze medals at the TSA Zirakpur tournament held at Gurukul School. Next is Sukh Sahaj. Please be ready, Sukh Sahaj. He won first prize in tote bag competition held at Cafe Meraki, Sector 91. Mohammad Ali Bhatt to be ready. 6C, please be ready. In 3-3 basketball championship at the Decathlon Zirakpur tournament held at Youngsters Basketball Academy. Neet Salaria, please be ready. Neet Salaria of 60. Medal in 3-3 Emperor Basketball tournament held at Delhi Ball Public School, Thakoli, Zirakpur. Going to announce the results. The results have already been declared, but again I would like to call upon the winners, those who have achieved the medals during our conference. So first of all, I would like to call upon the children of Clay Wonders, Gulfander Singh and Ronit. In conference, Clay Wonders. And they bagged third prize in that. Please give them a big round of applause, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next event was strings.
We have the techno twirls.
Strings. These are the techno twirls. Okay. So the students of techno twirl. They bagged the first prize. Children, please give them a big round of applause. Our next event was Strings and Weave, and we won first prize in that. Strings of the Soul?
Yes, Strings of the Soul was
Okay. So Strings of the Soul. They are the also one those who bagged the first prize. Give them a big round of applause.